BluDRIVE. Setup guide for VT194P4 and VT194P4FS. Button overview. Use the OK button to confirm. Use plus and minus to adjust values. When powered on, the actuator automatically starts the learning phase. Valve calibration begins. Once completed, the main interface is ready. For the VT194P4FS, a charging phase is required before calibration. Press and hold minus and OK for 3 seconds to access the control signal menu. The default setting is 0 to 10 volts DC. Select the signal required by the system. Press OK to enter manual override mode. Use plus and minus to set the valve opening. Press and hold OK and plus for 3 seconds to access valve settings. Use plus and minus to select the valve model. Press OK to confirm. Set the maximum flow rate according to the selected valve. Select None to manually define the valve stroke. Press OK to confirm. Press and hold minus and plus for 3 seconds to access the function menu. Use plus and minus to scroll through the available settings. Select the preferred measurement units. Define the control characteristic. On VT/FS, configure the fail-safe function. Press and hold minus for 3 seconds to check the valve stroke. The actuator displays the current stroke value. Press and hold OK for 5 seconds to restore factory settings. Press OK again to confirm. FS only. The actuator moves to the predefined fail-safe position when power is lost. The display shows POF during power interruption. During normal operation, the actuator automatically responds to the control signal, continuously regulating flow based on system demand. BluDRIVE, drive balance, boost efficiency.